We're excited to announce the Platformly Chrome extension. So in order to install this for yourself, just go to the Chrome Web Store. You can Google it, or you can just go to chrome.google.com and then type in Platformly or platform.ly, doesn't matter, hit enter, and it'll pull it up here. You'll click on that, and then you'll click Add to Chrome. Once it's added, what we're then going to do is quickly, you'll see it up here. You'll click on it, and you won't actually see this. You'll see a modal that asks for the API key, and it will link you to your profile where you can click a link to go and get your API key. You'll create one, you can call it Chrome extension or Chrome plugin or whatever you want, and just paste in the key. And then it's going to pull this up here, and you'll see that the way it works is at any stage you can just click here and see all the dashboards that you have. Let's say, for example, you'll then be able to select the one that you want to see and just click on it, and it's going to open that URL for you instantly. So these are the ones that you can also put on a TV screen if you want, or make it full screen and so on. You can add a contact at any stage, you can create a tracking URL, and you can also view your account info. Now let's have a look at it in action. So our plugin works with Gmail, and you see here there's this sidebar. So from Gmail, from your Google account, if you open up any email, you'll see that this icon here will appear in the sidebar. If you click this, it's going to show the contacts who are involved in this email thread, and then you can edit, so you choose which project they're in, their contact info, any location info, and custom fields. And once you're happy with it, you'll click Save Information. So this is an existing contact. If I wasn't a contact in Platformly, it would then show me like contact is not part of Platformly, and you can then add it in. All right. So this is a fast way that you can easily add contacts. The next thing you can do is the right-click works. Whenever you've selected an email, for example, an email address, let's have a quick look. You'll go here and you see that with the email addresses selected, you'll see the Platformly link here, and you can add it to Platformly or you can search it in Platformly. If you click this, it's going to search for contact, and it's going to pull back all the contacts, when they're first seen, which account they're part of, and so on. And then what we can do is, let's just go onto a website and have a look at links. So here we are now to show you the other cool thing about the Chrome extension from Platformly. What you can do in Platformly, obviously, is create tracking links. So let's say that you're on a web page and you want to create a tracking link to this page here. You'll just click this, tracking URL, and you'll see what's going to happen. It's going to pre-fill the landing page. Now, obviously, if you want to use a different one, you can edit this, but it pre-fills that. It pre-fills the campaign name with the title. All you have to do is then go through and select what category it's going to be for, give it a custom link name, choose if there's any costs associated, and add like source URL and any other custom field information, and then you'll just click Create Tracking URL. So directly from your browser, you can immediately do that. Then another thing is, let's say we want to use this one here. You can right-click on it, add as tracking link, because it's a hyperlinked URL. You see, it puts the target URL as the target URL of the hyperlink. Okay, so once again, then you just quickly fill out this short form and create a tracking link, and you'll have tracking links immediately. So it's a real time saver. I hope that you find this plugin useful. It's in beta, it's brand new, so any feedback that you have, please submit it to us via the feedback form. From inside your Platformly account, from the drop down here, under feature request. This is a good place to give us feedback. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I hope that you rush over to the Chrome store right now and install the extension, and that it saves you a lot of time.